In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add one contact to Odoo CRM. We're going to walk through the process from start to finish in a simple and practical way, so you can quickly create a customer contact record and make sure the information is saved properly in your CRM. To begin, open the CRM app in Odoo. This is where you'll manage customer relationships, sales activity, and contact records. Once you're inside the CRM area, look to the top left toolbar and click on Sales. This will open the sales-related options and give you access to the Customer section. From there, select Customers. When you open this page, you'll see a list of existing customer contacts. This is useful because it lets you review the contacts already stored in your system before adding a new one. Taking a quick look here can also help you avoid creating duplicate records if the contact already exists. To add a new contact, click New in the top left corner. This opens a blank contact form where you can enter the customer's information. At this stage, you'll want to fill in the relevant details carefully. Start with the contact's name, then add the company if applicable. After that, enter contact information such as an email address or phone number, along with the address and TIN if you use that for tax or business identification purposes. Depending on how your Odoo setup is configured, you may also see other fields available. It's a good idea to complete as much useful information as possible so the contact record is more valuable later for sales follow-up, invoicing, reporting, or internal reference. The more accurate and complete the entry is, the easier it will be for your team to work with that contact in the future. Before saving, take a moment to review the details you entered. This quick check can help prevent small mistakes like a misspelled name, an incorrect email format, or missing company information. Clean and consistent data is especially important in any CRM because it helps keep communication and records organized. Once everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. The new contact has now been added to Odoo CRM. As you can see, the process is very straightforward. Open the CRM app, go to Sales, select Customers, create a new record, enter the contact details, and save. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to manually add customer contacts quickly and keep your CRM up to date.